Another day, another story. Introduction. Rome, Italy, often referred to as the Eternal City, is a captivating metropolis steeped in history, culture, and art. It stands as a living testament to the grandeur of ancient civilizations and the enduring influence of the Roman Empire. Nestled along the banks of the Tiber River in the central western part of Italy, Rome has played a pivotal role in shaping the course of Western civilization for over 2 millennia. With its iconic attractions, including the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Vatican City, Rome is a city that seamlessly bridges the gap between the past and the present, offering visitors a rich tapestry of experiences that span centuries. Historical significance. Rome's history is a chronicle of remarkable achievements and profound changes. Founded, according to legend, by the twin brothers Romulus and Remus in 753 BC, Rome began as a small settlement and gradually expanded into a powerful empire. The Roman Republic, with its system of government, laws, and military prowess, laid the foundations for modern governance and legal systems. Later, the Roman Empire reached its zenith under emperors like Augustus and Trajan, extending its influence across 3 continents. The legacy of ancient Rome is still evident in the city's architecture, engineering marvels, and historical sites. The Colosseum, an amphitheater that once hosted gladiatorial contests, is an enduring symbol of Rome's grandeur. The Roman Forum, once the epicenter of political, religious, and social life, is a sprawling archaeological site that offers a glimpse into the city's past. Vatican City. Rome is also home to Vatican City, an independent city-state and the spiritual center of the Roman Catholic Church. Here, you'll find St. Peter's Basilica, an awe-inspiring Renaissance-era cathedral known for its breathtaking dome designed by Michelangelo. The Vatican Museums house an unparalleled collection of art, including the Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's frescoes adorn the ceiling. Art and culture. Rome has long been a hub of artistic and cultural innovation. The Renaissance period saw the likes of Raphael, Leonardo da Vinci, and Caravaggio creating masterpieces that continue to captivate art enthusiasts. The city is dotted with museums, galleries, and churches that showcase this artistic heritage. Modern Rome. While Rome's historical significance is undeniable, it's also a bustling modern metropolis with a vibrant contemporary culture. The city's neighborhoods are diverse, offering a blend of traditional Italian life and cosmopolitan influences. Rome's cuisine is celebrated worldwide, with trattorias and pizzerias serving up delicious dishes, and its cafes and gelaterias are perfect for leisurely people watching. Conclusion. Rome is a city that invites visitors to step back in time while embracing the present. Its rich history, art, and architecture intertwine with a modern way of life, creating a captivating and timeless destination. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, admiring world-class art, or savoring authentic Italian cuisine, Rome offers an unforgettable journey through the ages, making it one of the most cherished and enduring cities in the world. Thanks for watching.